Welcome back to another Acadia point of sale video guide. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and launch email campaigns using the Acadia POS web backend, allowing you to drive sales by reaching your customers directly in their inbox. On previous videos of this Acadia marketing series, we have configured contacts and landing pages, which are a requirement to properly launch email campaigns. We highly recommend watching those videos before watching this one to guarantee the best results when setting up your email campaigns. Let's begin. To start, log in to your Acadia POS backend. On the left sidebar menu, click on the Marketing button. Once you are on your local rewards dashboard, click on Campaigns. Email campaigns are a powerful tool to announce sales, share updates, or highlight the rewards tiers we established in our previous videos to specific customers. To build your first campaign, click the New Campaign button in the top right corner. A campaign setup screen will pop up. First, to keep your marketing history organized, enter an internal campaign name. For this one, we will name it Demo Email Campaign. Feel free to customize the name of your campaign to your own needs. Next is the Channel field. Click on it and select Email from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind that email campaigns cost just 1 cent per email sent. Directly to the right, you will see the Schedule field. This is an optional feature that can be used to set a date and time for the campaign. For this specific example, we will leave it blank since we will launch this campaign manually when it is all set up. Below the Channel section, we have the subject line. Make sure to write something engaging, as this will be the first thing your customers will see on their inbox. Below the subject line, you can fill out an internal description to help you keep track of this campaign's main goals. Under the Content section, you have the option to attach a landing page. For this example, we will select the Customer Rewards page we set up in the previous video. Next up is the HTML email body. This area accepts full HTML markup for maximum design flexibility. Don't worry about perfect formatting just yet. On the next section, we will have a dedicated AI assistant to format your HTML. Now, let's look at the Audience Targeting section. This is where you can filter down exactly who receives this broadcast. First, you can filter by spending power. Enter a value in the Min Lifetime Spend field to target only customers who have spent a cumulative amount. For this specific example, we will use a $100 amount, since we know this contact on our list has a higher lifetime spending. Next, you can find the right timing for your outreach. The No Purchase for Days field helps you re-engage customers who have been away. For example, to win back customers who haven't purchased in the last 3 months, you can enter 90 here. To keep the momentum with recent shoppers, use the Purchased in Last X Days field. For instance, to follow up with everyone who visited in the last week, enter 7. Note the tip below. If you want to include customers who purchased today, leave No Purchase for Days blank and set Purchased in Last X Days to 1. Moving down, you can filter by your predefined customer groups. Use Control+Click or Command+Click to select one or more of your existing groups, like VIP or Weekend Rewards, as seen in this example. You can also segment your audience by their last in-store interaction. Select a specific location from the Last Purchase Location drop-down or leave it as all locations to reach everyone. For highly specialized campaigns, click the Advanced Targeting Contact Tags button. This allows you to target customers with specific internal tags you've created. Finally, ensure your message is deliverable by checking the Requires Email box to ensure all targeted customers have a valid email address on file. Once you are satisfied with your audience segment, click the Create and Open Editor button at the bottom of the screen. This will save your campaign setup. Next up, you will see the internal campaign editor. For this first panel, we already have set up all of the required fields, but you can always come back to change anything on this panel. Next up is Step 2, Images, where you can upload and manage all the visuals for your broadcast under the Campaign Graphics panel. Here, you can upload up to 10 image files to use in your campaign layout, supporting PNG, JPEG, GIF, and WebP formats. Each slot automatically generates a corresponding token, ranging from Campaign Image 1 URL up to Campaign Image 10 URL, making it easy to reference your images in your email code. Let's upload an image for our email campaign. Click on Upload. Select the graphics you want to upload. Once you've added your graphics, click on Insert Image URL, which will place your image tokens on the email template. Once that is done, click the yellow Continue to Content button in the bottom right corner to move on to the HTML editor. Now we reach Step 3, Content, which brings us to the HTML email editor. This is where you compose and style the actual body of your broadcast. On the left side, you'll find the AI assistant. On the right is the main code editor, where you can write, tweak, or paste your custom HTML. Below the editor, you'll find the Supported Placeholders section. This is a library of all the dynamic customer tokens available for your campaign, including basic contact info like first name, email, and phone, as well as customer data like lifetime spend, birthday, last purchase date, and location details like city, among other that can be used to customize your email campaign for this example. Now, let's use the AI assistant to write the body of the email campaign. For this example, we will give it the following prompt. Generate an email body for a customer rewards campaign using the IMG1 tag and a strong CTA. Then click on Generate Draft. The AI will generate the HTML content of the email. Once your layout and copy are set, click the Preview button below the editor to preview the HTML content of your campaign. The preview content will load on a new tab. If you like your preview, go back to the previous tab and scroll to the bottom of the page. Then click on the Review button to advance to the next section. Finally, we reach Step 4, Review, where you can confirm all your campaign details and inspect your design before saving. At the top of the Review and Save screen, you'll see a quick summary of all your campaign settings at a glance. This gives you a clear overview where you can double-check your campaign name and chosen channel, review your subject line, confirm your targeted customer groups, and verify the total number of HTML lines along with your resolved landing page URL. Directly below, the live preview frame renders your email layout in real time. complete with sample dynamic placeholder data filled in, so you can see exactly how it will look in your customer's inbox. If you prefer to view the full draft in a separate browser window, click the Open in New Tab button in the top right corner of the preview bar. If you notice anything you'd like to change, click the Back button to return to previous steps and adjust your settings. Once everything looks ready to go, click the yellow Save Campaign button in the bottom right corner. Your email campaign is now officially set up and saved in your Acadia POS backend, ready to reach your customers. With your campaign saved, you'll be returned to the main Campaigns dashboard to launch it. First, locate your new campaign in the list. Under the Status column, click the drop-down menu, select Active, and then click the Save button right next to it to update its status. Next, under the Actions column, click the Enroll button. A confirmation message will pop up showing the exact count of contacts enrolled in your campaign, which you can also see updated under the Enrollments column. Finally, when you're ready to broadcast, click the Dispatch button and then select the amount of emails you'd like to send. Then click OK. This will send out the email campaign immediately, delivering your message directly to the inboxes of all your enrolled contacts. And that's it! You've successfully created, segmented, and launched your email campaign. For more video guides, subscribe to Acadia POS YouTube channel.